Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin number 1, followed by Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Cardano, Dogecoin, and we end with Tron at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. Okay, so there was a rally that came on because DJT said that he's going to start a crypto strategic reserve, which I think we knew that it was coming, and yeah, there's a strong rally. So here we are. The only thing is that the timing of things. So it's here. Anything for us to work with over here? Again, we're above the skinny pink line. So the trend is still largely bullish for BTC, and the potential for BTC to go higher is there. However, just like all the other previous rallies, there should be some consolidation first before the rally comes on. So we are anticipating a consolidation as well before the rally comes. It's not going to be one straight line up, right? It's going to be a lot of zigzagging here and there. So if we could go higher, take out these highs, go very, very close to taking out these highs, but not take it out, come back down, consolidate a little bit, then yes, more likely than not, more upside. However, there's also a danger that we could get mountain ranges as we drop lower. It's just that the chart pattern isn't really that obvious for BTC yet, so we're gonna have to give it more time before calling any bearish reversals or a bullish continuation for BTC. Ethereum against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum. Ethereum is not doing well against BTC, but just a general reminder, on the bigger time frame, Ethereum is in a very, very, very nice squeeze. Potential squeeze, right? No guarantees. Potential squeeze against BTC, right? Lower highs, and hopefully the next higher low would be coming in probably after we clear these classes of cells, and potentially this one too, right? Or very close to clearing these classes of cells. And after that, yeah, strong reaction is expected for ETH against BTC. So yeah, again, it's just very, very bearish at the moment. I'm gonna assume that a reversal may not be too far away, but it may take some time before it happens. Like for example, over here, right? It doesn't just go up immediately. We'll have to go kind of sideways for a little bit first before going any higher. So I would expect the same over here before the rally comes down. My expectation for the timeline is probably 2027 or 2028 before the big breakout comes for FBTC. Ethereum against USD is the same as well. Ethereum against USD, again, expecting a head and shoulders of sorts. But the thing is that we're getting lower lows. So I'm like, it's not becoming a head and shoulders. So, maybe an ABC kind of a chart pattern. We're still expecting it to drop lower though. So ETH is largely under the skinny pink line, as is evident for FBTC, the weakness that we are seeing. And yeah, again, ETH is a solid coin. We're just waiting for the opportunity to make a move towards ETH, as it potentially does a surprise move. Everybody could be brushing off Ethereum and glorifying Solana, but I think that Ethereum's time will come when Ethereum goes up to potentially 10K. I think it's only a matter of time, right? So that's our thought for Ethereum. I think more downside is going to come. As long as we're under the skinny pink line, we're going to respect the bearish trend. XRP, these are all the crypto considered for the strategic reserve. XRP is a very rare coin that you see, being strong against BTC. So XRP is pretty strong, and this is a potential ABCDE kind of a completion, and a potential breakout to come on for XRP against BTC. How much higher could we go? I guess it's around 6,000. Around 6,000, we're 3,000, so maybe another 100% for XRP against BTC. Against USD, we have a clear target towards the upside, which is at $6.10. The thing about XRP is that this is a very, 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 very high quality ABCDE that's completed, and now we're up. So $6.10 is the target that we have. We had targets 1 and 2 that has already been touched with one straight line up. The only question we have now is how much more are we going to consolidate, or are we going to go straight up to 610 first before a potential reversal coming on, right? A long consolidation. Yes, no? XRP is very bullish. Very few coins are as bullish as XRP in terms of gigantic market caps, right? XRP's market cap is already at million 161 billion. So could we still go higher to 6? Yeah, of course, 275. This could be another 120% that we're expecting, right, for XRP. So yeah, hopefully, we could add on and take a ride up towards 610, right? So yeah, there you go. That's all take for XRP. I think there's still another rally up. So we would love to put on trades for this rally, if and when the opportunity appears for XRP. BNB against BTC. Here we are for BNB. BNB is still weak against BTC. You can tell whether a coin is strong or weak by looking at the BTC pair. So BNB BTC is still weak. We are still under the skinny pink line on the daily. So the trend is still largely bearish. We're expecting a lower low of sorts before a reversal. So yeah, again, nothing much for us to work with based on current price action. Could we squeeze to break higher for BNB? Yeah, sure. Well, we're on the skinny pink line. So not too confident about things for BNB. If anything, yeah, we'll still have to wait for clear high quality chart patterns to appear for BNB first. Solana, one of the coins. Solana is under the skinny pink line. Very weak against BTC. More downside is to be expected. Probably past 7,000. Right now at 18,000. So potentially more downside to come for Sol BTC. I still think that there is, I mean, if you were to ask me, right, a bull bear slider, right, I'm 90% bear for Sol BTC, but 10% bullish. There is always that possibility that we could just zip back up, right? If we could take out these highs, go above the skinny pink line, stay above it, and yes, we could be going higher. But as it stands, nope, we're under it. So more downsides to be expected for Sol BTC against USD. Sol is, hits targets, boys and girls. It hits target, 132. So for Solana, we did take a short. I hope you took some profits. Yeah, so Sol hits 132. We are again under the skinny pink line. So my take for Solana is we're forming a head and shoulders. Very likely a head and shoulders, right? Of sorts. It's a bit messy here and there. But this is a high quality head and shoulders in the making. I suspect the right shoulder could be coming on, and Solana could be heading much lower. Right? There are two levels we're looking at: 0.5, 0.618. If we do go to 0.618, we'll probably go somewhere below it, plus $30. We're at 167 right now. So will Solana form bullish chart patterns and continue? Yeah, sure, of course. If and when the time comes, sure, of course, we would be more than happy to have, clear high targets for Sol. But as it stands, no, we're under the skinny pink line. We're already through. We're completing the head. So a right shoulder, in my opinion, should come for Sol. Could this turn into something else as well? Yeah, sure. This could be a descending triangle, right? You probably could get a descending triangle as well. We'll probably know once the chart pattern is like 90% complete, right? If you were to ask me how many percent complete are we, if it's going to be a head and shoulders, I would say we're probably like 70%, right? I'm leaning bearish though. Yeah, so I'm probably like 70 bearish, potentially 30 bullish as well, but 70% bearish, right? So we had targets over here, 132. Yeah, see targets? Is this still bearish? Yeah. Why is this still bearish? Because we did not clear these clusters of cells. We did not, there's so many clusters of cells here. So the whales have just created another cluster of cell. So that if and when the whales pull the price lower, it just makes it easier for them. Clusters of cells here as well. Right. Once the momentum has switched bearish, then it'll be so much easier to pull the price lower towards 0.5 and potentially 0.6. We might see a bounce at 0.5, right? As we potentially hit to 0.618. And then, yeah, again, hopefully, big bullish continuation for Sol USD. But yeah, no, I'm leaning bearish for Solana, right? In the long term, Solana should do well. But for now, it's looking pretty bearish for me. So, yeah, I would stay safe. If anything, right, I'll be looking for shorts for Solana. I'm guessing, right? Again, this is just pure guessing. Same thing as well, right? You can just turn this around. Same thing. I think Solana will either stop either at 0.5 or 0.618. So I would be ready for the short if and when the opportunity comes. Right now, on the medium short term, the momentum is quite bullish for Solana. So I suspect we'll be seeing more upside. Right? Will this noisy area hold, or will we go a little bit higher towards 0.618? Not too sure. We're not too sure. But I'm leaning bearish for Solana. I still think that Solana is going to drop. And with it, the potential should come for all the other meme coins that's in Solana's ecosystem. So I think I pointed it out in all the other videos about cats, dogs, frogs, politics, all the other Solana-based meme coins. They're not going to do well. So if and when the drop comes, this is a very, very high quality short. But of course, if things turn bullish, then of course we will just switch our bias, right? But as it stands, nope, the bias bearish. So we're looking for shorts for Solana. ADA against BDC. Here we are for ADA. ADA is we like what we see. So for ADA, we were saying that for ADA, we're saying that okay, ADA will be completing the very big squeeze as we hit higher. Right, and this in itself is also something like a squeeze as well, right? Lower highs, higher lows, right? We were like, if we take out these lows, right, it's not good news. If this low holds, right, great, we're probably gonna be squeezing to break higher, right? And then once ADA completes its move, it's gonna be absolute bananas, crazy bananas. This whole chart pattern is gonna become like pancakes. If and when the super rally comes in for ADA. But as it stands, yeah, no, not really. We're probably going to have to, do a lot of rallying and dipping and up and down before the big move comes. So I will preach caution. I'm not saying that, this is up for ADA against BDC, but the chart pattern is there. I've been harping on this for like months and years even. So yeah, there you go. That's ADA BDC for you. ADA against USD. Okay, it's not so obvious. So the party is on ADA against BDC, not on the USD pair. Could ADA still go higher? Yeah. So ADA, we have two areas we're looking at. One is at around $2. The other one is at around 260, 70, somewhere around here. So zip up. Think that it's gonna come back down. Nope, it goes a little bit higher. Then only it drops lower. So yeah, I think that ADA is going higher. The only thing is that there's no clear high quality tradable chart pattern for ADA. Maybe the whales of ADA may be kind enough to us to give us like, I don't know, maybe a squeeze here, maybe a cup and handle, maybe an ascending. We'll have to wait and see. But as it stands, yeah, we could still zip a little bit higher for ADA. Dogecoin! Why isn't Dogecoin in the strategy is? Of course not. It's a meme. A DOGE against BDC. Again, we're expecting DOGE BDC to take out these lows. Hopefully, we're hoping that these lows will hold. And then we'll start the reversal. Right. We'll probably go sideways for a while before going back up. Something like this. Go sideways for a while before heading back up. Sideways for a while before heading back up. Right. Something like that. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another one. Right. It might look like 7 as well though. So I think a potential reversal may not be too far away for DOGE US BDC. Is there a potential for us to drop even lower? Yeah, again, noisy area over here. So we might drop all the way back down as well. Right. The thing about DOGE against BDC is it's still in a downward trend. We're still getting lower highs, lower lows, lower lows. Who's to know that this is, potentially a lower low as well. Right. So we're still in a downward trend for DOGE BDC. Against USD, Dogecoin is under the skinny pink line. Not exactly, but we size through. So the expectation is for us to drop lower. But this, this structure, right, looks a lot like this, right? As the skinny pink line grazes through the lower portion of it, right? So potentially there could be another rally up for DOGE. Potentially, right? But as it stands, no, we don't see it. So yeah, again, I will preach caution. I think DOGE may not drop all the way back down again. DOGE might just start, consolidating over here as it heads higher towards $1. But yeah, again, we will love it if there's a high quality chart pattern that's accompanying the move for DOGE. Tron against BTC. Here we are for Tron. Tron is okay. Tron has been in a sideways move for the longest time ever. Now that US has announced a strategic crypto reserve, can you imagine if China says the same thing? Right, a strategic Chinese reserve. So there could be a Chinese rally, Chinese coin rally. Where is there China? Okay, there's no China. There's USA, but there's no China. See, there's USA, but there's no China. Okay, so anyway, we kind of know that Tron is Chinese. Neo, Tron, off the top of my head, right? Qtum. There's VeChain as well. Yeah, roughly. That's off the top of my head. So, yeah, and Tron could see a very, very, very big rise come on against BTC, right? I don't think Tron is gonna collapse though. Tron has been at, in the top 10 for a very, 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 very long time. So I think it's only a matter of time before Tron see a strong rally towards the upside. The thing about it is the USD pair is just not so obvious. The USD pair is just quite over bullish, I would say. And yeah, again, before the move comes, right, I'll still expect some sort of accumulation first. Right, we're still technically bullish though, above the skinny pink line. Who knows? We might just slowly crawl our way up as well. So yeah, we'll see how it goes for Tron. Alright, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.